Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to see what are the apps that are loaded in your desktop. So it's very easy. I'm using Windows 11 here. What you need to do is simply go to your Windows R, use R command called run. And here as you can see, I have to type, well, once again I type it shell colon apps folder, shell colon apps apps folder. Once I enter it, you can see all the apps those are available in your desktop or PC, already installed in your desktop or PC by you or by Windows, will be available here. You can see all the apps here. The VLC Media Player, VLC, Zoom, Snagit, all these apps are already loaded in my desktop. So here also what you can do is simply, if you want some shortcuts of any app, you can simply go and this Elan touchpad setting. I just want to drag it and drop. It will create a shortcut link in your desktop. So it's so easy. Articulate storyline, simply drag. Sorry. So for example, this any other like Adobe Reader, it's already there in desktop. For example, this clock app, I simply want to drag and drop here. You can see this clock shortcut will be available. Well, if I double click, it's going for an update. So even for Excel, if I want a shortcut here, I can simply drag and drop here for Excel shortcut. News, many things are there what you want to do with this. So once again, I tell you, simply Windows R shell colon apps folder. You will go to your apps folder. You can see all the apps that are loaded in your desktop or PC, and simply you can drag and drop on your desktop to create a shortcut, or else you can also open it from here itself. If I double click here, it will open a PowerPoint file. So this is as simple and easy as we speak. So friend, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you found something interesting in this video, please hit the like button and please do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little interesting technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.